I don't think both of your heads are going to fit in there all at once. What is that? That's a yeah pillow? Oh my goodness, it's a yeah heart. Oh, look at you. You're just about to get it out of there, ain't you, Lexi? You gonna rub too, Desi? Oh. Well, let's get in and look. Beautiful. Let's look at everything. Let's pull everything, honey. You won't keep giving the camera kisses. This what's got Sissy so uptight, I believe. She's even standing on it. Here it is. She gonna crawl in there. It's still smelling. It's still in there. Oh, Lexi. Desi with the Priscilla's nip. Oh my. Lexi's really giving that heart a workout. Yeah, he is. Oh, there goes Desi with the nip. That's a bag of nip there. Lexi going back to check out what else is in the box. Now Lexi's in the box. Y'all really enjoying this, aren't ya? Ooh-wee. Loving a pet box. Now we gonna switch out. Yeah. There's still goodies in there, sure enough.